I am so glad you joined me. Hello. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. So today I am going to show y'all how to make another African inspired earring using wood pieces. Now, for those of you who have been following me, y'all know that for the last couple of days, I have been doing some artwork, pretty much some painting, showing y'all some different designs. Now, my videos, I try to make my videos beginners friendly, so this can be done by anyone. You don't have to have professional skills in order to do this, okay? I try to make my videos as simple as possible so that anyone can make these earrings, okay? So here are the items that you're going to need for this here how to make video. I will also make sure that I include all of the information. I will put all of the information somewhere in the description box. You're going to need some cowrie shells. I've finally figured out how to pronounce this, cowrie, okay? You're going to need some cowrie shells, and you only need one per earring, okay? You're going to need, of course, a fish hook, some fish hooks. You're going to need this is some copper wire that I choose to use, and y'all going to have to forgive my fingers, but I've been doing so much painting lately, okay? Stuff, it gets into your skin and it has to wear off. So this is some 20 gauge copper wire, and this copper wire is about maybe 10 inches long. You're not going to be using all of this, but of course y'all know I like to have extra. This is a 10mm wood bead that I purchased. These beads you can find off of Amazon.com. These are 10mm, okay? You're going to need, of course, your wood piece. Now, these wood pieces, this piece right here I got from some tags that I bought a while ago, but you can find stuff like this from Amazon.com, some oval wood pieces with some holes in it, okay? Now, you can get the ones without the holes and make your own hole, or you can buy them with the hole, okay? You're gonna need your round nose pliers. You're gonna need your wire cutters. I'm gonna be using some triple thick, okay? You're also going to need some matte acrylic paint, and you're going to need white paint, and you're going to need some matte acrylic black paint, okay? All right, so I have already taken the liberty to paint my wood piece. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on the actual design. Okay, this is getting ready to be fun. I hope all is well with each and every one of you all. And basically what I want to do is I'm going to put a piece of paper right here and put this right here so that I don't mess up my table. Okay, and I'm going to be using the white paint. I'm going to set everything off here on the sides, and we're going to go ahead and get it started. And I forgot to mention, y'all going to have to excuse me, but you will need, of course, you already know, a paintbrush. Now, this is the thing. I am using the end of my paintbrush to do this, y'all. It's amazing. It's amazing, okay? I don't use this part right here at all for this design. So let's get started. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a line down the bottom, down here, and you want to try to put it in the middle of your bead. So you want to put a line just like this, and you can make this as long or as short as you see fit. Okay. All right, so that's my line. And then the next I'm going to make 3 dots. So we're going to do 3 dots. I'm going to put a dot here, a dot here, and you're going to be spacing these in between, and then another dot here. Okay, so you got your 3 dots. Now we're going to make one long line. So I'm going to turn it to the side a little bit. One long line. Okay. You want to make this line longer than the first line, I should say. All right. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you want to come up here a little ways, and don't worry about your art being perfect, because the one thing about art, it does not have to ever be perfect. So now we're going to do a roll of dots all the way over. I'm going to start over here, and we're going to just make a roll of dots all the way over, just like this. Okay. I think one little one right there. Okay. So now you got your dots going across. So now you want to put some lines on the side. So you're going to put 2 lines over here, and you're going to put 2 lines over here. So you're going to do a short line right here, a little one, and then you're going to do a longer one right here. Okay, then you're going to flip sides, and you want to do this same process over here. So you're going to do a shorter one and then a longer one. Okay, flip it back this way, and this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now you're going to put some dots in the middle. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you got 3 dots in the middle. Then you're going to come above those dots, and you're going to make 2, you're going to make 1 line. Just like this. All right, 1 line. And then you're going to come up here, and you're going to make 3 lines. So you're going to put bop, 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 okay? So let's do that. You're going to put a line here. Sometimes you have to hold it. 1 there, 1 here, okay? And then 1 over here. Okay, so the very last thing we want to do is we want to put some dots up at the top. So we're just going to come and put some dots at the top, just like this. We're going to take it all the way across. Okay, and then I'm going to take and let this dry, and I will be back. Okay, y'all, so once your piece dries, now we're going to go ahead and do a design for the back. Okay, so we're going to flip it, and we're just going to do a design for the back of the earring. And we're going to, I'm just going to put some dots straight up the back like this. Just go straight up. Okay, take it all the way up, and try to stay, if at all possible, in the middle of your wood piece. Okay, now I'm going to do some on this side, 2, 3, and then I'm going to come on this side and do 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go on both other sides, come here and do 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to come over here and do 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and we're going to come back and do the second part. Okay, y'all, so I did take the liberty already to put on my triple thick. I put it on just to save the video some time. I put it on the front, and I also put it on the back of my piece. And now we're going to go ahead and start connecting everything. So we're going to connect our beads, our cowrie shell. All right. So what you want to do now is you want to take your 20 gauge wire, 20 gauge copper wire, and you're going to take it and push it through the hole and pinch it up just like this. Pinch these two pieces together. You're going to take your wood piece and bring that like that and bring it down just like that. Okay. Then you're going to take your cowrie shell and you're going to put your cowrie shell in between just like this. All right, just like this. Now you have to make sure that your cowrie shell, that the piece of the wire goes in between that little slit, because it's a slit in between. And y'all, please excuse my nails, but I've been doing a lot of painting. It's going to be in between. Make sure it goes in between that slit, just like that. And you're going to take your front piece and pretty much wrap it around your piece in the back. Okay, just like this. All right, and it's going to start getting tight, just like this for you. All right, and that's not going anywhere. Take it around one more time. Take it to the back, and then we're just going to snip off this little extra piece back here. Snip this off. Okay, this is the back of your earring. This is the front of your earring. And then we're going to take our round nose pliers and just squeeze that in. And we're going to go ahead and make a loop. All right. You make your loop just like this. Now you can, if you want to, you can wrap your wire and bring your wire all the way down, or you can stop midway if you choose to, depending on what you want for your earring. Okay, and I'm going to stop it right here because that's pretty much the end of it. And I'm just going to snip this just like that. Okay. This is what you are going to have. And then you want to take and add on your fish hook. Just bear with me. I have one here. Okay, copper wire, fish hook. Just want to take and open this up, slide this on, and close it up. Okay. Okay, everyone. So I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for joining me. Could you please make sure that you give this here video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. The thumbs ups is what's going to help my video go into rotation for others to be able to view it. So I would greatly appreciate if you all did that for me. But also, if you like the content that I show you on this platform, become a subscriber to the channel. And when you become a subscriber, hit that bell, because that bell is going to give you notification on when I will be uploading more videos. Now, I'm going to say that sometimes the bell will work, sometimes it doesn't, but if you don't have the bell clicked on at all, you won't receive a notification at all, okay? So with that being said, thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome week. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.